This is the Panta Surge by Panta Rhei, and this is the number 42 model. They come in a few different models. This is the 63. There's also a 75 for really large aquariums. And what this does is it sits in the corner of your aquarium or in the back of your tank. There's a different attachment here that will allow you to send the water out through the top. But this will go in the corner, and the motor is forward and reversible. So you could run whatever intensity you want, and you can ramp it up. In this tank, for example, we're running the surge at 100% in the forward position, and we're holding it for about 20 seconds. And that allows the water to roll down this reef. Look at the movement on those acropora right there. The polyp extension moves like crazy. The euphyllia move like crazy. And then the water tumbles down, and then the unit reverses. If you look at the surface now, it's largely still because the unit is drawing water in the top and exiting out the bottom. So you'll start to get movement behind the reef. And that's so critical to change the flow dynamic in your aquarium so you reduce the dead spots. It's also a very natural effect when you could roll the water and then slow it down, reverse it. Now it's in forward again. You could see the water movement up there. It's tremendous. 42, very quiet, small footprint, flows about 2,200 gallons per hour. And we've actually got the returns on this not moving the water too much in here. They're at the lowest setting just so we can demonstrate the effects of this 42 surge. This is the 63. I'll give you an idea. The box is of roughly 4.25 by 4.25. And again, easy to clean. The top comes off. What you'd want to do for sizing this is measure your aquarium from the inside bottom to the water level, not the overflow box height, the water level itself. And then you're going to want to purchase the unit that is just shorter than the water level. And that's going to allow you to separate the intake and the output as far as you can. That's going to aid that distribution of water movement, because all the water that's coming out the top has to get sucked in the bottom. So you're kind of like flipping the water. But that's it. That's the Panta Surge in action. It's been on here about 2 months. The coral growth is tremendous. The polyp extension is great. And it's a very, very natural flow design.